Here are my top 10 Procreate gesture shortcuts that you should know. Number 1 is undo redo. So to undo, you tap with 2 fingers. To redo, you tap with 3. Next up we have copy and paste. So simply swipe down with 3 fingers and you get the copy and paste menu appearing. Next up is fit to screen. With a quick pinch, you fit the entire artwork in your screen, which is perfect for seeing how you're getting on. Next up is hiding the UI. So you can preview even more your artwork by removing the UI with 4 fingers. Tap with 4 fingers to bring the UI back. Next up is scrub to clear. With 3 fingers, you can scrub from left to right to completely clear a layer. So you see my cat has disappeared. So that's scrub with the 3 fingers. Next one is you can merge layers by pinching them together. So simply merge all your layers together very quickly with a little pinch. Here's a cool little trick. You can gain greater control over your brush size by sliding your finger away from the slider, and it gives you greater precision in increasing the size. The closer you are to the slider, the quicker you can increase the brush size. So if you want to get exactly 2, drag it over to the left. Next up is the eyedropper. Simply by holding your finger somewhere, you bring up the eyedropper and you can select any color that you like. And finally, number 10 is quick shape. By drawing a rough geometric shape and holding the pen in place, you will automatically create a more perfect shape. This also works with lines, triangles, and squares. There we have it. They're my top 10 favorite Procreate shortcuts. Let me know which your favorites are, and why not subscribe? Because, hey, I like you.